हेलो डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सौरभ सर क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आरबीआई ग्रेड बी DSIM, दैट मीन्स डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट। इसी का ही जो पेपर है, पेपर 2। इसी पेपर का डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप पेपर का स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ऊपर उसी पेपर का प्रीवियस ईयर सॉल्यूशन। If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session और previous year question भी जानना चाहते हैं, सो और मॉक टेस्ट की ज़रूरत है, स्टडी मटेरियल, सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम and don't hesitate also. Please call and WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav Sir himself reply individually through WhatsApp. So if you want to take classes from our side, this is the best time. Why? Because now we can provide the maximum discount for that course. Okay, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav Sir's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So let's start with question number 9B. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला गया है? A random sample of 10 households selected from two cities, Mumbai and Delhi, revealed that their weekly medical expenses were as under Mumbai's, this is the medical expenses, and this is the Delhi city medical expenses. Using wild Wolf's run test, verify alpha equals to 0.05. If two population have same underlying distribution for alpha equals 5% and C of alpha equals to what? C of alpha equals to 6. Okay, so just wait. So how to solve that type of problem? So first we can organize the data. What is the data? This is the data. And step 2, combine and rank the data. So first we can combine two samples and sort them in ascending order while noting the origin of each value, whether it comes from Mumbai or Delhi. So first of all we will start writing ranked value, and that is origin. Okay, so just start. This is the rank value and this is the origin. Okay, so how can I start? So now we can put the value one by one. First we can put the value, that is 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Just added this line. So what is the order of origin? 8, that is x, 10, that is also x, 11, that is belongs to x, 12, that is belongs to y, 13, that is belongs to y, 14 belongs to y, 15 belongs to y, 16 belongs to x, 17 belongs to y, and 18x, 19y, 20, 21 double x, and here 22, 23 double y, and 24, 25 x, y, and yx. So now identify the runs. A run that defined as a sequence of consecutive elements from the same group, either x or y. Let's count the number of runs in the combined and sorted sequence. So what is run 1 here? Run 1, run 2, run 3, run 4, run 5, run 6, run 7, run 8, run 9, run 10, run 9, run 10. Okay, so for run 1 the result can be defined as in that way: x x x, run 2, y, run 3, y y y, run 4, x, run 5, y, run 6, x x, run 7, y y, run 8, x, run 9, y, run 10, x. So total number of runs here, what, r equals to 10. So compare the number of runs to the critical values. The critical values, if the critical value C alpha equals to 6 is given for alpha equals to 0.05, then if the number of run r is greater than the critical value C alpha, we do not reject the null hypothesis. We do not reject the null hypothesis that, so just wait, we do not reject the null hypothesis, that is, we do not reject the null hypothesis, that is h naught at the alpha that is 0.05 significance level. And sorry, we do not reject the null hypothesis h naught. Okay, significance level. And if r less than equals to C alpha, then we reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so since r equals to 10, that is greater than C alpha, since r equals to 10, that is greater than C alpha equals to 6, so we don't reject the null hypothesis h naught at the significance level. So we can maintain this right up. So this means that there is not enough evidence that to conclude the distribution of for the household Mumbai and Delhi are different. So we don't reject here null hypothesis h naught. So that's all about that. ऐसे ही बहुत सारा मेथड को आप जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. अगर इस वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए और दोस्तों से फैमिली से शेयर कर लीजिए. हमारा चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. फॉर लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन. We will meet you in next session soon. Thank you.